So in this question, we are asked to find the value of x. Here 13x plus 3 is the angle in blue and 4x is the angle in yellow. Now let us name the center as O, this point as A, this as B, and this point as C. So in order to solve this question, first of all, we must know a theorem that if this is an arc, say for example PQ, if it subtends some angle at the center of the circle and the same arc subtends this angle on the circumference of the circle, on any point on the circumference of the circle. So if this angle is theta, then the angle subtended by same arc at the center will be 2 times theta. Now let us apply this theorem in our figure. AB is the arc. It is subtending 4x angle on the circumference of the circle. So this arc AB at the center of the circle will subtend an angle double the angle at this point. That means it will be 8x. So now from here we will get 13x plus 3 plus 8x is equal to 360 degree, because it is a circle. So here this angle will be 360 degrees. So 13x plus 8x will be 21x plus 3 is equal to 360 degree. So 21x will be 360 minus 3, that is 357. So x will be 357 divided by 21, and this will be 17 times. So x is equal to 17 degrees. This is the answer. If you want to get more such videos, do subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video.